Oh, Brotherhood of Night. Oh, Brotherhood of Night. Oh, Brotherhood of Night.
The spirit controls the physical.
Huzum Baradam. Huzum Baradam.
Brotherhood of Night. Brotherhood of Night.
Huzum Baradam.
The spirit controls the physical.
What is it? Are you alright? You're panting.
I had a terrible dream.
How is it?
Concerning Daniel.
Oh, Oduko was chasing him, right?
No, Mama. Mama, I saw Daniel with some occultic member. Mama, Daniel is an occultist.
Stop it. Stop it! You didn't even say what you saw. Because I'm sure you saw Odoko chasing your brother with a knife to cut him. You're talking about occult.
Mama, wait. Mama, the dream was so real. I saw that. I'm not going to stop. You know how real my dreams can be. Mama, I saw Daniel with some occultic people performing some rituals. Mama, I'm beginning to doubt Daniel's money. I just feel his money is not from the right source.
How could you be saying this about your brother? I think something is playing with your mind. How am I sure it's not Odoko that is bewitching you and turning you against your only brother?
Mama,
I think it's that Wanje in your head that is making you think like that.
Mama, Odiko has nothing, absolutely nothing to do with this.
Shut up. Shut your mouth.
Mama, I know myself and I know my dream. I know how powerful my dream is. Mama, I can't continue staying in this house before Daniel kills us all.
Shut your mouth. Don't you ever open that your stupid mouth to say something like that about my son again. Why are you this silly? Somebody your brother got money to take care of your life. Here you are talking trash.
And you don't even care to ask about the source of his money.
Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth and enjoy your brother's money. Stop going against your brother. Stop it. Tell that evil spirit in your head to stop manipulating you. Because I believe it is Odoko that is manipulating you. Just stop it. I can't stand here and listen to your rubbish.
No, I can't continue staying in this house. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm going back to the village. Before Daniel kills me.
Ah.
very, very certain that Daniel has a skeleton in his cupboard. Yes. Because I strongly believe in that dream that I had. But I don't know why Mama has refused to see things with me. I don't know why Mama has refused to understand the fact that Daniel is evil. He's evil. I don't know how else to convince Mama about this.
Kanga. Ano kankam. E wo de kwen god. Oje gbapalo fuma. Nya gi kini eli kamu awele nkem. Aje ni fo koko ma mmiri achu. Di ampa. E ya kwom neke. E ya kwom n'oria. E ya kwom n'afọ. Iya kwa m na nkwọ ife ọjọọ dị n'iru mụ ga-anọ n'azụ ọ dị n'azụ mụ ga-anọ n'iru otu ọ dị maka ọ bụrụ na asị na ebidobe ọ dị ka emebe eme
Aduko.
Rosa, welcome.
Welcome out, Oginono. Keep your welcome to yourself. What have I done to you? What has my family ever done to you that you not leave us alone? Are you not satisfied with what you have done to me already? Leave us alone!
Rosa, what is it? What is it?
You're asking me. Listen, the next time you attack me in my dream, I promise you, I am going to kill you. So that you will not see me again.
Rosa, about the number attacked you in your dream.
Oh, you think we don't know?
Hey!
You think I am not aware of what you have been doing to me and my family? My own husband went to sleep, and the next day he couldn't wake up. Yet you claim you knew nothing about it. Leave us alone.
Rosa,
we didn't do anything to you.
Rosa.
Rosa, look what you've been doing. Is this not where the incantation you used to attack us come from? I will not warn you again. Because next time, action. People are going to church receiving Christ. Look at what you're doing. Try me again. Try me again.
Afukwalumia. Mana kodi kodi. Kodi. My beautiful one. This one you are carrying back. Are you going to the city to see our son?
Look, why are you monitoring my movement? Why are you monitoring me? Leave me alone.
Me monitoring?
Leave me alone. Yes. How did you know I was going to the city that you didn't see me without your mirror at the shrine? Eh?
Rosa, stop this now. Stop it. Eh? Why will you be saying I'm monitoring you?
You should be the one to stop. Stop monitoring me and leave me alone. Go your way and leave me alone. Go! Amusu, go! Where are you going? Where are you going? Amusu, do not leave me alone.
Hey, Mama,
Hey, just touch me. Why will I wait for eternity before you open the door for me?
I'm sorry, Mama.
Don't you say that to me. Are you out of your mind? This is my son's house, so I shouldn't beg you to open the door for me. That Walad. Don't you ever argue with me.
Mama,
I will slap you if you dare argue with me. Do you know how long I've been standing out here? Anyways, let my son come back. We'll sort it out. You bring my bag in.
For today. Who I be that we did not come for this time? I no come for work. Eh? This person will be called death official. Who I be? K. Well, who I be? I couldn't for this place. I couldn't quit for census. Eh? At the point of hand, like say I won't kill him for bed. Why the Chris? Go back.
Sorry, my name is Odiokanamba. In the village, I am called Ijonwoke. Then in my family, I am called Papa. Dan's father, he remained breast for me. So Dan is like my son. I'm coming from village.
When you want to tell me, say, my oga, I suck on breast, I give you, I suck on breast, I give you, na pure water.
Dan's father is my elder, senior. Me, a junior.
Lay a beyond for then a junior. And the one number a junior. You are. I will come for this place. I will come.
Thank you. Thank you.
You are.
Is my son inside?
My oga, I did. Well, let my oga and no day. But madam, I am for house. You are.
I'm waiting for a guy inside.
Audio one number. I like him for this one. I get up for white baby. Audio one number. Hey.
So this is where Dan lives. If he comes to the village, he will be pretending as if he has not eaten for 3 days. Hi, Dan. You must be a very cunning man. Oi, camera.
Audio one number. They go for a say.
I always say that wealth is health. Look at this place. Dan of yesterday is the person that owns this house. He's living in this kind of big place. Hey, go Amaka.
Aduko,
Rosa, my wife.
what are you doing in my son's house?
At least I saw my greeting, Rosa.
Keep your greetings to yourself. What have you come to do here?
I came to see my son, Daniel.
He has become your son because not Patagogo. So leave.
Uncle, like you've seen, my husband Dan is not around. In fact, he's not in town. Yeah, so please. Oh?
Did you hear her? Leave!
Wait now, you people want me to leave. How do I go back to the village? At least I need transport to go.
Which transport?
Mama, it's okay. I have transport. I've got transport, Kicho. I'll get transport for you.
You don't dare. Give him what?
I
am pushing you out because I don't want my son to die the way the father died. So leave.
Are you now implying that I killed my own brother?
Who else did if not you? So leave.
Are you? Hey.
Go now! Go away!
Hey!
Hey! What kind of trouble is this? This evil man should leave us alone. I don't want anything to happen to my son or my husband. Ah.
You would know. Eh? What is this? You don't have respect. Rosa! Rosa!
Keep going!
What am I now? Get back! Rosa, do you know this abomination to push a red chief like me around?
Trap cat chief.
Eh?
Let me bear the consequences, not your business. So out.
Rosa, heaven will bear me witness. I am not as wicked as you are classing me to be.
Oduko, you are not just wicked, but you are evil.
Rosa, I'm not evil.
Leave my family alone.
I'm
Leave
not,
us alone.
I am not evil.
You are evil. You are wicked man.
I came here because of my
push
condition.
out of this gate.
Eh?
Push
I came
him
here
out.
to sit down.
Oga, senior madam, I can make a picture for you.
I only came here because I need money. That's why I came to sit down. Eh? If you ask me to go now, how will I reach the village? Even my conscience, man.
Adam, push him out.
No, senior madam. Senior madam, I don't think I make a push here come out for this place.
See this one, Christine. If you touch me, I will use this and break your head. Are you mad? Do not you have respect? Look, I'm a rescue chief. Do you know the kind of respect I command in the village? Eh?
If you don't push him, I will push you.
Madam, make I no push him for me. I go push him. Okay? I be for red capuchin. Me, I be for yellow capuchin. As a senior security officer, I be not like this. Is it because it like this? Okay, make I straighten them. This is a war between a red capuchin and a yellow capuchin. Make I promote him for this house. Now, come on,
go.
Come on.
Push him.
I will break your head if you touch me with this. Do you know I'm a red captain?
Well, okay, I be for red capuchin. Me, I be for yellow capuchin. Me and you not fighting. Come on.
This is your house. Rosa,
Come on, idiot. Lock the gate. Lock the gate. You did not marry. You want to enjoy everything with people that got married and had children enjoy.
Madam, yellow capuchin, I win for red capuchin. Trust me. Make a Susan for me. No wala. When if I come back with this house with me, I go Susan for me for you. I decrease. I decrease. Make a promoter for my boot. No, I put it come back for this house. Me, I go kill you. Make a Susan for me for you. Money.
I think you should go and have your bath. Then you can come back.
Meaning what? Why are you ordering me about in my son's house?
Ordering you about? I'm just trying to tell you that.
To do what? Why are you not happy that I'm enjoying my son's money?
Hey, Mama, how can you talk like that? You misunderstood me.
I understood everything you said. I am old enough to know when I need a bath and when I don't need a bath.
I'm sorry, Mama.
Don't you ever tell me sorry because you know exactly what you did. Huh?
Sorry.
I am talking and you're walking away.
Mama, I'm not working out on you.
What did you just do? So I'm not a liar. Is that how your mother raised you? To be rude to elders? I thought my son said you're well cultured. So this is the culture. Children of nowadays. So this is how you're going to raise that your son? Get out.
I should go now.
Go.
Thank God that you are back.
Uncle?
Huh?
What are you doing here?
Hi, it's your mother. She pushed me out of the compound. I've been sitting here since afternoon.
My mother pushed you out of the house?
You know I can't lie to you. She pushed me out.
It's okay, it's okay. Let's go in.
Eh?
Let's go in.
Now, you're welcome. How was work today?
I'm fine, good evening.
Good evening. Oduko, what are you still doing here? Why did you come back here?
Oh, sit down. Mama, I learned that you drove him out of the house today.
Yes, I did, because he's not supposed to be here. You know you're not supposed to be here. What are you doing here?
Mama, please. I do not like this. Please. He is my uncle. You don't have to treat him that way. No matter what he did.
Thank you.
No matter what.
Thank you, Guinea. Hey, so you have succeeded. So all your plans, you have succeeded in bewitching my son against me. You've turned my own son against me, Odoko.
Me? I did not bewitch anybody. God will judge you. Don't understand the weight of what you did today. You kept me outside there this afternoon. You forgetting that I'm a red cap chief. It's abomination for what you have done.
Don't kill my son.
Uncle, it's okay. My house door will come and take you to the bus quarter. So you can freshen up, eat, rest.
Thank you. It is only you that understand me in this house. And I thank you for that.
It's okay, let me freshen up too.
Rosa? Rosa? She's wicked.
Darling, why? You shouldn't have brought him back.
The man came all the way from the village. There's no way he could have come back. Because he was stranded.
Your only problem is that you don't want to believe your mother. Your uncle Dikeh is evil.
What made him evil?
Who killed your father? No, answer me. Who killed your father? Or you think he died a natural death? Huh?
Who killed my father? Who killed my father? Tell me. No. Go ahead and talk. Who killed my father?
You asking me?
No. Talk. Who killed my father? Talk.
I don't know. My point is that you need to be careful. Yes, I don't want anything to happen to you or my son.
Hunger will kill me in that village if nothing is done fast. You have to do something about it. At least any little thing that will enable me start up petty business. It will be okay.
What kind of business do you have in mind?
Any business at all. I can rent a shop and then start a palm wine joint. Since Njoko died in the village, palm wine business died as well. If I am able to open it and then I will be cooking pepper soup as well. Before you know it, people will hear about it. They'll be coming from all corners. And then at the end of the day, I'll be able to make small money for myself. 100,000 naira is enough to even start this business. 100,000.
100,000 naira?
Yes, 100.
Okay. I'll send message across to you. But before then, take this. Transport back to the village.
Thank you.
Oduko, don't put that money in your pocket.
Makagine.
I will not have you come here and charm my son to take his money.
I did not charm anybody.
Mama, what's all this? Please allow him. Please.
Daniel, take that money from him or I take it myself.
Hey, Rosa, give me that money. Rosa. Junior! Give me that money! Damn! Junior, don't do this to me. Junior! Damn! Junior! I don't know what is wrong with you. Let's take him to the hospital. Junior! Let's take him to the hospital. Hospital!
Get my car keys. Get my car keys. Junior! Get my car keys. Get my car keys, please.
Baby, stop this.
Stop it. Stop it.
Stop what? I will not stop until you tell me who that lady is.
I have told you time with that woman and that girl, I do not have anything to do with her. She is just my colleague in the office.
Your colleague in the office and both of you were holding your hands the way I saw you at the supermarket. No, tell me, Edozie, you are a liar. You cannot deceive me.
Me, Edozie, deceive you? Jenny, have I ever deceived you before?
Edozie,
have I?
Please, can you leave my house now?
Jenny, don't say that again. Don't you dare say that again.
Edozie, I'm serious, for goodness sake. Leave my house.
Me, Edozie, should leave your house. A house I rented with my money to make you happy. I should leave your house.
And so, you rented this house with your own money. Okay, take your house back. If you think I'm joking. I'm not joking. Get lost. If you hold me, don't try to touch me.
Listen to me. Jenny, come back.
Edozie, stop.
See, I don't have anything to do with that.
Edozie, please, can you leave me? You want to have your house back, so have it.
Jenny.
Oh, Malichangwa. Uju, how are you?
Daniel, what are you doing in my house?
I was coming from the city, so I decided to stop by and know how you're doing.
As you can see, I'm doing very well.
Good.
So please leave.
In Accusations? Why are you chasing me away?
Daniel, leave my house.
I am sorry. I know it's been long and came in last. I'm so sorry. Oh, okay. I understand. Come watch I want them one ya record the sharp. You understand? At least when your husband comes back, tell him I was here. Okay?
Daniel, keep your filthy money to yourself, or I'd rather die than to take a dime from you. Daniel, you need to explain to me what happened to our father. You are evil. Daniel, you are evil. And don't forget to pick this money with you. take this money along with you.
It's okay, drop it there. Where is my wife? Is she back?
Sir? She's in. She did not go anywhere.
Oh. You're right. It's okay. You can go.
Okay, sir.
Sorry.
Edose, stop deceiving yourself and leave my house.
Baby, stop this now. Stop it. I have told you that that girl is not my girlfriend.
Points of correction, I'm not your baby. Tina is your baby, so go and meet her and allow me to be.
Jenny, how many times have I told you that that girl is not my girlfriend? She is just my colleague in the office. What is there for you to understand that she is not my girlfriend?
Tell yourself the truth. You have been cheating on me and that is why God exposed you today. Who knows if you are not the one that bought her those items I saw her with?
Baby, you're beginning to get me angry and I do not like it.
And I will not care if you are angry or not. Leave my house. Edozie, I said you should leave my house.
Excuse me? Baby, you will regret all this. I swear. All this you're doing to me, you will regret it. You will regret it.
Edozie, I will regret nothing. Prove me wrong if anything I said here is lie. I will not allow you to play with my house. Leave my house. Edozie, leave my house. Leave my house right now.
Why?
Please, leave.
She is not my girlfriend. Just hear me.
I've heard you. Please, can you just leave? Please, and allow me to be.
It is now 10 years. 10 years of my horrible experience. The only secret I share with nobody. Not even my husband knows about it. How I wish I can wake up one day and find this memory wiped out from my mind. I just want to forget everything. God, please help me.
Okay. Any other thing?
Sir, do not be angry if I tell you this.
It's okay. Go on.
Sir, I had a terrible dream about you last night. You were crying in that dream for the death of your wife.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. My wife is not going to die.
Amen.
That's good. You can go now.
Thank you, sir.
'Greetings, Grandmaster. May you live long. Brotherhood of the night, forever.
Why were you not present in the last supper?
Please pardon me, Grandmaster. I couldn't make it due to some issues before me.
Daniel. 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 You will not be warned again.
Thank you, Grandmaster.
Three weeks from now, you shall carry out what is written in the letter.
I owe my loyalty to you, Grandmaster. Brotherhood of the night, forever. Yeah.
Who were you talking with? I heard you talking to someone.
Oh, no. I wasn't talking to anybody. I was just there. I was talking to anybody. Are you okay?
I should be asking you. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay.
Okay, Debbie, excuse me, okay?
Eba na to progressive, ana chuego, kandi kibanwa. Akweba na chego akunko wa kweli selisi, como baisi jini nada akafa. Akweba na chego akunko wa kweli selisi, como baisi jini nada akafa. Akweba na chego akunko wa kweli selisi. Como baisi jini nada akafa. Double wahala, money bumper trouble. Double wahala behind me, seta. Adekwana jenda. See double wahala, money bumper trouble.
Hey. Baby, what is the problem?
Are you hiding anything from me?
Hiding anything from you? No, I'm good. There's no problem.
It was written all over your face when I entered our room that all is not well.
Honey, believe me when I tell you that everything is okay. Okay? Believe me.
You're telling me the truth.
I am telling you the truth. Come on, it's bedtime. Okay? Let's go up. Let me go and show you how much I love you. Come on. here? No, I couldn't find it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh my God. What? I left the envelope here. How dare you search my car? How dare you?
Are you shouting at me?
Where did you find this envelope?
I saw it in your car. I was searching for my shades. I left it in your car when you took me out yesterday.
Did you open it?
No, I didn't open it. Excuse me.
Eba na to progressive, ana chuego, kandi kipenwo. Akweba na chego akunku wa kweli silisi, como baisi julina da kafa. Akweba na chego akunku wa kweli silisi, como baisi julina da kafa. Akweba na chego akunku wa kweli silisi.
Daniel has not said anything up till now concerning the discussion that took me to the city.
Uncle, are you here to talk about Daniel?
Daniel has no problem. It is your mother, Rosa, that is causing problem every now and then. Look at your condition. Is Daniel ought not to have sent money for your treatment? But your mother, she would rather allow that to happen.
Uncle, you called me on the phone saying you had something very important to discuss with me.
That is the thing I'm telling you. The question is, why would Rosa always block the help that is supposed to come to us? From my own brother's son. You know, Uju, as I am talking to you now, you will not understand anything. Until you go to the city where Daniel is living. You will see that Daniel is a big man without pot belly. Myself that have been to the city, I can attest to that. He has big mansions situated here and there in the city. The one he's living is like trailer load of nama. You cannot even count the length and the width of the house.
Okay. I was doing something inside before you came.
Is that all you want to tell me? On all these things I am hammering here and you are telling me you were busy doing something at the backyard.
Uncle, please count me out in anything concerning Daniel. Daniel came to my house the other day with huge amounts of money, but I rejected it.
Uju, you did what? You rejected it? Hey! Uju, why? Hey! Uju, why? You rejected the money. Uju.
Uncle, you will know why when the time comes.
Hey! Hey! Uju, when will this girl grow up? Hey! There is something wrong with this girl. Dana came with a huge amount of money and she rejected it. Something that she should have just do like this when I come. She will just push it to me. She rejected it. Uju, hey, Uju, you are good as nothing. A huge amount of money for that matter. You push it back to him. Hey, there is trouble.
Okay, my love. How are you doing? How is your husband and Junior? How is everything? Who? Edoze. My sister, forget that one. To be a story of another day. Yes. I will tell you when I see you. Yeah. Yeah, I'm checking on you. Yeah. Alright, take care of yourself, yeah? Bye. Okay.
Good afternoon, Jenny. I've been calling you since last night. You've been rejecting my calls. Anyway, whether you talk to me or not. Jenny, here are the dresses I bought for you. Check them.
Did I ask you to get them for me? Did I?
Jenny, are we going to continue like this? Come on. Aren't you tired of quarreling with me?
Yes, of course, I know you are tired of me. I know. You are tired of me. No problem.
Sorry, that is not what I mean. I said I am tired of all this quarreling. It doesn't fit us, please.
I know you are tired of me. That's all I know.
Anyway, check the dresses I bought for you.
Please, don't disturb me. Take your gift to Tina. I don't need them. Did I beg you to buy me gifts?
Jenny, what do you stand to gain by treating me like this? Why are you doing all this to me? What have I done to you?
As if you don't know. I beg you.
Jenny.
Please, I want to answer call. Hello?
Sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir. Are you alright?
Yes. Yes. Just go. I'll call you back later. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Just go. No. I can't do this. I can't do this. No! Ugo, check it. Eh? It's not fair. Ugo, it's not fair. It's not up to 1 year I lost my father. And now this one came up. Ugo, it's not fair.
Then I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry about this. But this is a price we all paid. Yours won't be an exception.
Ugo, I love my wife. Ugo, I love my wife. I was not told it's going to be like this. Ugo, please. You just have to help me, please.
Then I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do to help you. It's too late.
Ugo, what do you mean by it's too late? Eh? You're the one that lured me into this. So you must have a way or solution to this. Don't tell me it's too late. What is it?
Daniel.
Long live, Grandmaster.
It is a crime to fight the decision of the Brotherhood. And it is a punishable offense, according to Decree 1, Section 3 of the Brotherhood of Night. Daniel, you're warned. You're warned!
Grandmaster, please. I am sorry. I'm so sorry.
Dan, have you seen it? Have you seen it? Grandmaster sees and knows everything. If I would advise you, do as you were instructed.
Let me tell you something. 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 Listen, wallahi. Hey, since I don't forget man. Was security post for this compound. What is one thing? I never see a white girl like you. White house girl like you.
Adam.
Okay.
You see that room where Madam give me? You see this house? They get me to say I no say I be fine girl. Mind your business in this house, oh. Mind your business and be careful.
Lazy. Well, I don't do what chakara. Let me tell you something. Adamuna fine bobo. Adamuna fine bobo. Yeah, Adamu, where moo. Come on, go to your discipline. How dare you? You see, because you see me in this house, you think I'm in your level. Elisa is in your level. Be careful. Lazy. Well, I like him for one put at Choma Put. I like him for one put at Choma Put. That's it. Admit me, as sweet to me, touching me, as sweet to me, make a touching me again, make a bit of me. Hey, fine, baby. Fine, baby. I go give up for my afternoon. Talk up for my afternoon. Lazy. One quarter.
It is a crime to fight the decision of the Brotherhood, and it is a punishable offense according to Dikeh 1 Section 3 of the Brotherhood of Night. Daniel, you won.
What am I going to do? I can't use my wife. It is not possible. There must be an alternative to this.
You've not told me what has been bothering you. I mean, you've not been yourself for some time now. Please tell me what is on your mind.
Maybe I am fine. Just that I have little issue with my business.
And you kept it from me.
I don't want to bother you with it. It is my problem.
Wrong. It's our problem, not yours alone. So tell me, how bad is it?
Not too bad. I can handle it.
Adamu! Where is this gate man?
Madam, are calling me. See, I fight today.
My friend, shut up. Can't you hear the horn at the gate?
Madam, no mercy. Wait to get this smoke. Hey, Oga, I don't come.
Yes.
Dad said I have something today.
Oh yes, my boy. Your mom is 30 today.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dad,
my son.
didn't buy any birthday gift for mommy.
I did.
Okay.
Let's go in first. Come on.
He's such a brilliant son.
You know?
So smart.
You know?
Darling, sweetie, baby, mom, happy birthday. So we'll lay if I could help for money. I will come for this house. I go marry for madam. No go marry for madam. I go kill me. I go wait for pretend I be like madam. One up for better picket. I come back to tell me Alaji. I don't happy birthday. Okay, they see me for the TV. Okay, sorry, no ways. Okay, no ways. I don't go marry for madam. Okay, no ways.
Yeah. Such a sweetheart. You didn't tell me that you had this arrangement.
Am I supposed to tell you? It's a surprise. It's your day.
You know what? Right. You're just the best husband in the world. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, come. Let's celebrate mommy. Come. We're going to sing for her. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray. That's good. Okay. Mommy is going to cut her cake now. Woo. She is going to cut her cake in the mention of her name. Kim.
Okay. No, Dad. Let us spell Jesus instead of her name.
I said her name.
No, Dad. Jesus is the King of Kings.
Shut up. Are you silly?
Darling, why did you hit him?
Must he argue with me?
He's only a kid.
I know you're going to support him. I know it. Let him celebrate your birthday. Nonsense.
Are you serious? What?
You show me love, I'm a melody for a monanya. You give me gifts, I'm for your big. You show me care, I'm a melody for a monanya. You give me everything, I'm for your big. That's why this is.
Please, I am sorry. I overreacted.
Why should you? He is our son.
You don't need to remind me that he's our son. You don't need to remind me.
Then why did you do it?
Baby. I am sorry. I promise it will not happen again. Okay?
Today is supposed to be my happiest day. But you messed everything up with your hot temper.
I know. I'm sorry. It won't happen again. You're my wife. I hate to see you hot like this. Baby, I'm sorry from my heart, okay? I love you.
Don't you love our son?
Of course I do. He is my first fruit. But I am saying I'm sorry. Okay? It won't happen again. Okay? Okay. My hero. My hero. Oh, Chuck Knuckles. Oh, somebody's angry with Daddy. Okay. I want to apologize to everyone about my act last night. And also, my special apology goes to Mommy, who I disrupted her birthday. And I want to make it up to you people by taking you out tonight.
Okay, thank you, Dad.
Am I forgiven?
Yes.
That's my hero. Lizzie,
Mom. Sir.
am I forgiven?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Mom, are we forgiving Daddy?
Yes, my child. I've forgiven Daddy.
Yes.
Okay. Everyone has forgiven me. Now, I will take my leave now, okay? I will see you guys in this evening.
Alright, baby, I'll walk you to the car.
Come on, let's go.
Mom, am I not going to school today?
No, my darling, today is not school.
Okay.
I'm coming, I'll be right back.
Hey, come on.
Bye. See you. I can still keep us out.
No one is perfect. Oh yes, I know. But something needs to be done right. No one is perfect. Oh yes, I know. But something needs to be done right. Become a public. No one is perfect. Oh yes, I know. But something needs to be done right. No one is perfect. No one is perfect.
My love, I'm still worried about Uju's condition. I think she needs help. Please, try and see her, know what her annoyance is. Okay? Okay.
It's okay, I'll think about it. But no matter what happens, always bear in mind that I love you.
And I love you too.
Thank you for loving me back.
You're welcome.
I'll see you.
Don't pretend as if you don't know me.
Meaning what?
Well, I am Edozie's fiancé.
And so?
Listen, I don't know who you are, but I'm here to warn you to stay away from my fiancé because I'm not ready to share him with any hawk like you.
Excuse me? I will not tolerate any insult from you.
And what will you do?
Do not tell me.
Dare you?
Jennifer.
What will you do? Tell me.
What tell me?
What is going on here? What is it?
Edozie, she has the guts to talk back at me.
Tina.
Hey.
Jennifer, what is
Edozie,
it?
she has the guts to talk back at me. Yes.
Calm
Are
down.
you not senseless? To be fighting over a man who is not your
Tina,
husband.
That's enough. That's enough, for God's sake.
Can you hear
That's
her?
enough.
Oh, Edozie, you're not doing anything.
Sorry.
Edozie, you're not doing anything.
Sorry, I will take care of it.
And she's going. You leave.
Don't
you leave
bother. I
her.
will
She's
take
going.
her.
She's going, Edozie. Leave me. God will punish you. You allow your girlfriend to insult me. I don't want to see your legs in my house again. On your palidio, stupid boy.
Jennifer.
Jennifer, can you come?
Gosh, why are these girls frustrating me like this? Jennifer!
Done. Time has come to offer your sacrifice of loyalty to the Brotherhood of Night. Your wife shall be the sacrificial item. The ritual shall be performed in our next meeting. It is a crime to fight the decision of the Brotherhood, and it is a punishable offense, according to Decree 1, Section 3 of the Brotherhood of Night. Daniel, you're warned. You're warned!
Dan, have you seen it? Have you seen it?